welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. So everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. In fact, we're going to be kicking into October 1st, come Monday. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 2. NASDAQ is flat. S&P's off 1.5. Gold contract up $8.50, trading at $11.95 an ounce. Silver up 38 cents, $14.67 an ounce. Light sweet crude, big bid, up $1.20, $73.31 a barrel. Notes and bonds are flat. You get the 10-year note up 2 ticks, 118.26. 30-year bond down 4, 140.17. Really flat. King dollar up 231 ticks, trading 94.755. The euro is 116.17 to 1 U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 113.56 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? Okay, so when we take a look at these S&Ps, what you're going to see, the SPY Wednesday got up to a price point of $292.24, closed out at the low, 289.88. You did volume of 79 million shares. Yesterday, tries to get into the same bar, gets to 291, fails on price, lighter volume, you had 59 million versus 79. Guess what? Today, even lower. You get the 291.28. Right now, we're at 35 million shares, and I suspect it should be able to do 60 million. It should be, but we'll see. Bottom line, you can see that you're losing the strength each and every day. Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow. The Dow, you know, from highs to lows on Wednesday was pretty intense. I mean, you came down 250 points from 26,606 to 26,385. Yesterday, same setup. Today, the same setup. We got to a high today of 26,515, and right now, you basically get a flat market. We're at 439. So, you know, you're down 75 points off of that high. Not that 75 was a big number either, but bottom line, you're off it. Gold contract. What do we have with gold contract now? We had some big divergence out here this morning in gold, and this is what it was. The gold contract was up. Not for $8. It was up $4. The equities, however, were trading higher. The GDX was up 25 to 30 cents. Bottom line, as the day progressed, and this is a big deal on a Friday, folks. Most of the time when you have a down week inside the metal markets, Friday can be a disaster. Bottom line, just the opposite happened. Gold rejected lower price. You're going against the strength that was out there after it came off the lows, which is on the 24th of September. The low of that 24th of September was 1189. The high was 1191. You went smack right back into the high of the low, which was on the 16th of August. That's when gold came off the bottom at 1167, finished out at 1189, and we had some good volume. What do we do today? You rejected the 1189. You're going to have lighter volume. Bottom line, wants higher price. Silver is really the number that more than likely is going to lead us out of here. Silver is up 2.6%. Silver this week had been showing its strength. You know, it hadn't broken out of the consolidation yet, but the bottom line is that what you did have is that silver did show its strength earlier in the week. And when we take a look at the silver market right now, what you're going to see is that we did 110,000 contracts out here today. You had nice price spread. The low out here was $14.25. The high, $14.75. So you have 50 cents. Monster volume. You took out the trading range from September 4th. The top of that range was 14.59. Now what you're doing, you're working on the next range where the top of that range is $15.16. And I expect what we're going to see as we come into next week, it's going to get into that number. King dollar. Let's go take a look at King dollar because it's going to be about King dollar. Bottom line, King dollar out here. What you had out here yesterday, you had a nice move yesterday. It decided to go topside, had price spread, had volume. We did the 27,000 contracts. Today you did 22, which 22 is not bad, but you were going into your downdraft out here from the 21st of August as well as the 24th of August. And bottom line, you didn't make the top of the swing point, which you should have made, which was 95,280. We got to 94,985. And now what's going to happen as we come into this close, bottom line, let's do this way. I'm going to do a continuous contract, and let's see where we set up. So when we do a continuous, you got to remember that what had happened is that we'll close it. We're at 94,750. Yeah, and you close in the 95 and you're in the lower range. That's the bottom line, you know. And listen, we can mess around here for a long period of time, but bottom line, that gave the metals a bid. We go over and we take a look at the GDX out here. The GDX was giving us a clue early in the day also, that bottom line that it wanted higher price. Well, yes, that it wanted higher price because it was trading higher when, in fact, the dollar was up dramatically. Still, the GDX is up at 21 cents. You're at $18.53. Now, the GDX is going to need some volume. We've only done 22 million shares. As long as you close where we are right now, it's going to have a shot to go at higher price next week. We're at $18.53. Anything inside $18.47 says game can be on next week into higher price. Some of the higher volume equities out here. Tesla's the big number. Tesla's down 44 bucks. You get Facebook down 457. Intraday out here today, Facebook came out saying that they, bottom line, had a software glitch in their system. They're saying it's fixed now after the fact. Bottom line, 50 million folks were opened up that someone could get inside their account. Stay right there, folks. Coming right back.